The house that we built originally was one that we thought for a long time about exactly what we wanted out of a house that would be a house for our retirement. We've always wanted to have a kind of place that would be welcoming to people.
It's not a place for us, it's a place for everyone. The day of the fire, it seems very surreal. In the distance we could see smoke from the fire. And then all of a sudden it just absolutely tore through this place. We threw my sister-in-law's grandchildren in the car, my 101-year-old father-in-law in the car, and then we just drove up the driveway and that's it. We had absolutely nothing of our own left.
As soon as we got 100 metres around the corner and we realised that there was fire on both sides.
The sound of they say it's like a steam train, and it is. We tried 3 times to get back, and when I arrived, it was black. The house was still smouldering. Everything in the garden was just black. Nothing left. Through the fires, we had to rebuild, and in the rebuild, our budgets did get blown. We've been with a large international bank for quite some time, some 50 odd years. Even though I went to the very top of this organisation, the answer was literally, sorry, we can't help, go sell. So with desperation, I'd spoken to my daughter, who has an advisor, a financial advisor, and he was the one that recommended Household Capital. Then once we got the ball rolling, we had an interview, and as we went through everything, Marilyn and I both thought, yeah, okay, this can work. And you're talking to an organisation such as Household Capital against an organisation that basically was an international bank that turned around and said, tough, bad luck, we can't help you.
It doesn't feel like a drastic decision. It felt like a practical one, that we've sold off a portion of our land that we don't use, and there is no way that we could lose. It allows me the freedom to make some choices that perhaps we wouldn't have been able to make to enjoy some of the things we want to enjoy.
It's like our own family always asks us for help. We know that we can go to the Household Capital family and ask for help.